Greetings everyone. This is Anshkeya Kulshrestha from Mahi International School, Agra. Recently, I have enrolled in an online internship under Dr. Sunil Tripathi sir related to financial literacy. In this video, I am going to summarize what I have learned in the 5th class of this internship, and I have prepared notes, so I am going to tell from these notes. In that class, we learned about chart patterns. So what are these chart patterns? Chart patterns are the graphical presentation of the movement of a price of a stock or share. They are used to find the trend in the movement of the price. So there are many types of chart patterns and we are going to study few of them. So first chart pattern is inverse head and shoulder. As the name suggests, it has three inverted cones or three inverted curved cones from which middle one is the deepest and known as head and other two are shoulders. This represents that the price is likely to rise in the future after the completion of this pattern, and the price will rise up to its target, and here the target is the depth of the head. Here we have another example of inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. You can clearly see its head, which is the deepest and is in the middle, and the two shoulders. Now another chart pattern is cup with handle. In this pattern there is a U-shaped curve representing the cup and another U-shaped curve which represent its handle. Here also it represents that the price is likely to rise after the completion of this pattern, and the price will rise up to its target, and in this pattern the target is the depth of the cup. Here also we have another example of this pattern. You can clearly see the cup and its handle and its target. Now we have the last chart pattern of this video, that is slider chart pattern. As the name clearly suggests, it is the shape of a slider. बचपन में हम सब ने स्लाइडर वाला झूला सब इस झूले पर झूले हुए हैं जिस पे हम ऊपर बैठते हैं और स्लाइड करके नीचे आते हैं और जो लास्ट में पैरेलल हो जाता है. This slider chart pattern is not a falling straight line. It's not a falling straight line. It is like a falling curve and it is parallel to the x-axis in the end. It also represents that the price is likely to rise in the future after the completion of this pattern and will rise up to its target. And here the target is the height of the slider. Here we have an example of the slider chart pattern. You can clearly see the slider and also observe that it is parallel to the x-axis in the end and rising after the completion of the chart pattern. That's all from my side for today. Thank you Dr. Sunil Tripathi sir for his wonderful teaching. Thank you again.